Yes, and 3.
Oh, okay. You did the 2 and 3. Okay. So why don't I?
Yes.
Why don't I? I'm listening.
Oh, you see, yesterday we continued from where we left off for review 2. Then we got like 1,000. Then I sent you said I should do review 3.
Yes.
And I sent you the results.
Okay. So I want you to do the review 3 and testing mode. Okay.
He said, so what should I do with this?
Click on no. Click on no. Click on no. Can you hear me?
Yes, please,
Okay.
I did that.
Okay. So do it on the testing mode. 49 questions in 50 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let's see.
Hmm.
And as you go through the questions, you try to explain what you are doing, but I'm not going to interfere. Okay? Is that okay?
Okay.
And I want you to get 1,000.
Yes, please. Yes, please. So we in class.
You did
Yes,
what?
I will.
Okay.
In class today, we're almost done with the theory part.
And then you guys are moving at a lightning bolt. And they should all get A stars.
That is what I'm moving fast.
Yes, you have to.
Theory, we always move fast.
So what we would, I will let you start presenting to me the theoretical aspects, okay? So you will do a PowerPoint presentation. I'll give you the topics,
okay.
Then you will present as if I'm your student. To find out the concept. Okay.
Yes. So okay.
Give me some time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So
yes.
I don't know why when I turned on Nell's desktop, that's just the wall was just black. I don't know why what happened.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Your time starts, so complete it quickly.
Okay, just okay. And the flavor cost was shipping from cell A. Now this question. So we did this question and the apply the formatting from
27 to A1.
Yes. Let me say 8. And it says, and from A28 to A, okay. And then
so we do it one after the other.
Yeah. That is it. Correct. Or so just go to the next question.
Testing mode, so you won't see. So when you finish with everything, then you get your score. Mm-hmm. You're not reading the question. Mm-hmm.
So it says a footer at the bottom that contains the author, page number, and current date. And I did it. Yes, I redid it yesterday when you left, and I got autocorrect.
Okay. You can close that Microsoft Family Safety. Just close it. Okay.
Where am I going?
You're not reading the question.
Define the name bonus for the cell range A2 to 6 in the sorry. I was in the commission rates worksheet.
So that is why it is good to read the question before you start moving your mouse around.
I didn't change, I forgot. Okay, so it says, I'll read it out loud. A2 to C6. And then it says bonus. The chat to a new worksheet named, okay. So that's my did it. Move chat to a new, it says sales, move the chat to a new worksheet named chat. So if you create a new worksheet, worksheet, sorry, and you move the chat there, it's going to like be like on the spreadsheet itself. But if you do like what I've done, move chat and you do to new sheet, and you makes the whole
yes, and that's the correct thing to do. Okay, good. That is the beginning of data analysis.
Yes,
You can scale up and build. You do your SQL, and you can add Power BI or Tableau as the foundation.
Copy only the formatting from the cell 1 to G26 in the 2009 sales worksheet to 2000 else. Okay, so it says 2000, and then just copy the formatting from cell A1. So A1 to G26. And it says copy the formatting. Is it? If I get thousands of it, if not, I'll be very sad. Set the labels in the fourth row to repeat on each page. Okay, so I'll mark as review first. So set the labels in the fourth row. Okay, in the fourth row to repeat on each page. So I think I have to select the fifth row and then you go to review. I think you have to freeze the panel, freeze panes.
Because you are setting the label to repeat on each page. Is about printing. So you are printing.
Yes. You go to, I think it's print.
So you select the entire row number 4, not the fifth, because the labels are in the fourth row, not the fifth row.
Oh, so, okay, yes.
Set the label. You are not listening. Set the label in the fourth row. So you need to select the fourth row by clicking on that. Now you go to your page layout. So within your page layout, we have titles. You go to print title, then you go and select rows to repeat at top. Then you go and click on the fourth row to repeat it. Just work on the fourth row. That's it. Now you hit on OK. Hit on OK. Now press Ctrl P to see what you've done. Ctrl P to print. Now you see your print preview. Move on to the next page, you see? So
yes,
the label you selected is being repeated on each row. Does that make sense?
Yes, please. So because there's another question that said something about you freezing or something about the fourth row, only the first four rows. That is why I got
So that is when you select the fifth row to freeze the first to the fourth. So you need to understand the question, then you move on.
The questions are quite similar. Split the worksheets at so okay. Split the worksheets at cell A5 into 2 horizontal. I don't know if I've done the right thing, but I think I haven't. I haven't done the right thing. Okay. So this is A.
Set A5. You're splitting it into 2 horizontal panes. It says split. Yes, you are in the window group. You've done it.
I did it and I thought I was wrong.
It says so at cell A5, right? Okay.
Yes. That was wrong.
Because if you're supposed to split at cell A5, then you should be at cell A6, so that at least you can split. Okay, no worries. You just continue. You see a result when you finish.
I marked as review.
Okay.
In the 2010 sales worksheet, apply the heading 1 cell A, so A1. Okay, so apply the heading.
Yes. That is done.
Add the text Sunday to cell A2 and okay, A2 Sunday. Sunday.
Okay, you're enumerating the days of the week. Okay.
Copy the summary worksheet from the okay. Okay. So you have to open the sorry. Open. I wasn't. It says okay, and then you copy almost it says
you're
place
copying
it at the last.
Why are you copying it to?
Yeah.
Quarterly earnings. Okay. Then you're creating a copy or you are just moving it.
I'm moving to the end.
Listen to the question. Did they ask you to move or copy?
Create a copy.
So you need to pay attention to the question, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. No, just proceed. You've done your job. So you move.
Okay.
You created a copy. So that's you have a copy. It's another copy in the other workbook. So you don't need to work time. You can still work with it.
Combined sales worksheets. Add new column with the title percent. A total.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to do it in between between the change and so insert,
Mm-hmm.
and then we do it total. Using autofill, add a line spark line to the column L using the data in. Okay, so in cell in columns C and through J. So L, then we go to insert line. Okay, data range. It says from C, column C to J. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Well done. Your time is running out.
I
36
don't know if
more
this one is,
minutes. 36 more minutes.
if this one is included. So I'll just mark it.
So you apply it to the entire column. So you should include it.
Insert a new worksheet name to okay, and between okay, so you have to insert and rename 2009 sales corrected. Sales corrected. Okay. So the sales corrected. Okay. And then between the sale, the 2009. Okay. So here. So just set the zoom to 150 and save as a custom view name page zoom. So we have to go to zoom. So 150 to custom 150, and then custom views, add name. Okay. Page zoom. That is it. In the summary worksheet, link the text 2009 sales to 2009 worksheet and 2010 to okay.
Okay, hold on. Keep going.
Add the text January to the colon A B to B1 and enumerate the months of the year from C1 to M2. So January. Okay, type in the right place.
Did you read a question?
January. And okay.
Is it are you adding it at B1? Is
Yeah.
that B1? To cell B1.
Oh,
Is
it's
that to cell
sorry.
B1?
I thought it was even B1. Okay. Wait, let me just restart the question again. B1, okay. January to
Mm-hmm.
okay. In the 2010 sales worksheet, format the data range A2 to G26 as a table using the table table styles DAG5 table style. So okay, it says A2 to G26, enter, and then insert table.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then says styles. I think yes.
Okay, table 5. Mm-hmm.
And the summary, we actually apply the hyperlink. If you have any questions, please email the sales department with the email address sales@verigan.com and send and subject sales. Okay, so you have to select this. And then link, then email. Then the email is sales,
Mm-hmm.
sales,
Are you okay?
yes, please.
Okay.
Verify the pyramids are to use the basic pyramid layout and sunset
Mm-hmm.
pyramid. So you have to, then it says modify, so you use basic pyramid.
Found it? Good.
Yeah, this is already on, it's already on basic.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, that is it.
You have 29 minutes to complete. So try to speed up.
It's taking its precious time to do it, and the timer is going to. Yes. So I'm clicking next, but it's taking its precious time to load. So the timer is going, the thing is taking its time to load.
Don't worry.
It says freeze the top 4 rows so that they are always visible when scrolling to the worksheet. Okay. So I'm just to select 5. And then we have to go to freeze. That is it.
Okay. All done.
Thank you, sir. In the cell range C3 to J26, apply conditional formatting so that cells that contain and dark green text and values under 10,000 display with a red border. So it says
Are you okay?
$10,000. Then it says red border. Okay, with the cell range C3 to apply conditional formatting using blue gradient bar. Okay, so C3 to J26, enter. And it says conditional formatting with blue gradient data bars. Okay, that's it. So, Peter, are you there?
Yes, I am. I'm here.
Oh, okay, because you went silent. So I thought maybe you were busy.
No.
You had left some. Okay. In the 2010 sales worksheet, merge and center the content in the top row from column G, column A to column G. So top row from column A to G. Merge and center.
Good.
Okay. In the summary worksheet, remove the background of the ice cream, tested ice cream image. Remove background. Changes.
Okay.
Correct the function in the overall column. The value is profitable and marginal is I don't know what to say, should display depending on whether the quarterly sales exceed research cost.
So which function are you going to use? Correct the function in the overall column.
Okay,
so there is a function in the overall column.
Oh,
so you
yes.
need to correct that function.
So it says the values depending on whether. So I think you use greater than sign. Then you have to close the this thing.
Okay.
So it changes to profitable.
But click on the FX to use the function argument so that you can understand the formula over there. FX.
If what do you call
I want you to click on the FX. Click on the FX. FX next to it. Go to your left. FX.
Oh, sorry.
Aha. So you see, it gives you the logical test. So you're looking at the sum of D3, F3, H3, and what? J3, right?
It's greater than
quantity 1 sold, quantity 2 sold, quantity 3 sold and quantity 4 sold. If it is greater than, which is E, research 1, right? Which is the C. So I want you to understand the formula. Is that okay?
Yes, please.
Okay, good.
So if the quarterly sales are higher than the research, that means it's profitable. It's profitable. And if it's not, is this
marginal? Well done. So that is the F condition.
Yes.
Okay.
There's one particular question that I don't want to see.
You will see it. It's gonna happen.
That question is long. I was even struggling to do it with the hints.
Mm-hmm.
Change the layout view to page. Change the worksheet view to page layouts and hide rows 2 and 3. So you have to change the worksheet view to page layout. Then it says move column, hide column 2 and 3. Right.
Okay.
Format the cell range A5 to D. A5 to D 106 to use center horizontal alignment. So we have to go to home, go to alignment. Okay, then it says center.
That's it.
Okay, using the data in the combined sales worksheets, add a pie chart including labels that presents the combined sales for each representative. Yeah, okay. Using the data in the combined sales worksheet, add
a pie chart.
So add a pie chart. So insert.
Why don't you select the data? Then you can insert your pie chart.
Okay, it says, add a pie chart including the labels that presents the combined sales for each. So we have to insert sales pie chart. Okay. You have to
you are inserting the pie chart based on the labels, right? For each representative. Okay. So you need to select the representative, then you select the sales column by using what? Delete the chart. Delete it. That's not how it's done.
So the way I saw it was that.
So you want to edit? Okay, you can edit the range. Yes, that can be done. But I was also looking at another way.
How should I do it?
Where you do a control to select the name. Okay, you hold on the control on the keyboard.
So should I delete it?
Yeah, delete it and try that option. Hold down the control. Then go and select the name. Now insert pie chart. They said what? Just a pie chart, right? Then you hit on OK. Is it not the same?
Yes.
Are you okay now? So you've got two options.
Yes.
Okay, continue.
I just want to review just in case.
Okay.
In the summary worksheet, sharpen by 50% and apply the watercolor sponge artistic effect to the image. So we have to select the image, go to artistic effect. You say look for sponge, watercolor sponge, and then you go to concentrations, sharpen 50%. Remove all duplicates from the table based on the values in the year and value columns. So we have to select column C and control column D. And then we have to go to review zero, you know, data, and then you
data.
have to remove duplicates.
You need to select the entire range from variable to value all the way down. Start from variable, click on variable, Control Shift down to quickly select the entire data range. You're not applying the shortcut. Okay. So that will remove your duplicate. So you select the data set. I said I won't talk about that. I'm talking.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay, yes, that's it.
Okay. Okay, done.
Yes, sir. Said I'm the teacher doing the test.
Yes, you are the teacher doing the test. I'm sorry. I won't talk.
Or say if a student wants to help, it's fine. Or say if a student wants to suggest or help the teacher, it's fine. That one is also accepted. I have to hurry up. Insert a header that contains the file name on the left. So, okay. Header that contains the file name on the left, file name, and on this and sheet on the right, and close the header before grading.
So if you want to close the header and footer, just click on it. Click within it. That's it.
Save the entire workbook as a PDF file, and okay, so go here and then options, then entire, you want to, it says that omitting document properties and tags, so you have to, it says the entire, so entire workbook, and you are moving documents properties and equals okay. And then okay, so slide the label and data in the
Fax and what? EXT, fax, EXT, and mobile columns, right?
yes.
So where's your EXT? Okay. Hold on.
That's it. And the flavor cost worksheet, format the data in the markup column to display as percentages. Where's markup? Okay. Then, sorry, percentages. That is it. Set the table color of the summary worksheet to red accent. Okay. Tab color, red accent to lighter 40%. That is it. Hey, oh, okay. Paste only the values from the cell range A1 to G26 in the cells, which in 2009 sales worksheet to cell range. Okay, so you have to go to 2009 sales and select A1 to G26 enter, and then we have to copy. And we have to, and then we have to paste only, says paste only the values.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. hide the label and data in the sun. You have to scroll down. You have to select, it says hide it, and then so you have to select from 48 all the way to 65. Then yeah, just hide.
Done. All done.
In the top performance worksheet, determine the highest value numbers for 2010 in the sales. Okay, so it says top performance. Okay, so it says so it's max.
Okay. They're
You have
using
to
the
use
maximum.
yes, maximum, and then okay, then you have to go to 2010, and it says in cell B2. In the performance top performance worksheet, determine the highest sales number for 2010 in cell B2.
So you need to go
Okay.
and select the sales column.
So sales.
That's why I always tell you to use the function argument. That way you won't have such problems. Escape.
Okay.
There's a reason why I ask you to always use the fx. Now you just go and click. You move it. Now you click and drag. You click, then you drag. Simple. Then you hit on OK. You're done. So to give you the highest. Is that okay?
Yes, please.
Okay.
You gotta hurry up.
Yes, you've got 12 minutes. Then
yes.
you've got 9 more questions.
In the combined sales worksheet, calculate the sales percentage for each representative in the total column and change the, oh my goodness, so this question. In the combined sales, okay, says calculate the sales percentage for each representative in the total column and change the cell formatting to percentage.
So this, you have to create a formula, manual. So how do you do that?
So it says calculate the sales percentage for each representative. So I think it's sales and then times the change.
No, it's percentage. So it is the individual sale over the total, right?
Yes. So is it
E3 divided by the total, which is 612. It's at the bottom, 612. But you need to make that an absolute, reference. So you need to select the E8 and make it absolute, because each individual sale value will be divided by
yeah, you have to make
you use a dollar sign.
Sorry, I made a mistake.
Where's your E? Where's okay. Now you hit enter. You hit enter. Now you get that. Now you scroll all the way down. As you do the autofill, the formula will adapt. Does that make sense?
Yes, it says change the cell formatting to percentage.
So that is what you've done.
Yes.
Okay.
I've done it for the total also.
No, you don't need a total. They said for each representative.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the top performers worksheet determine the highest sales number for. So what we did.
2011.
So this time we're doing it max.
And
then 2011. Then. This is it.
So in I mean, the Excel expert will be looking at pivot tables, slices, and all of that. What if analysis, scenario manager. So you need to brace yourself for that.
Set the print area. Oh, I haven't selected. Set the print area to include only cells in the
Oregon Pharmaceutical Quarterly Earnings Table. It's a table, so they've created a table. You need to select the table.
Select the whole table. Sorry. So you see, I didn't even read this part.
They're talking about a table.
I said
it's
so.
not a heading. Listen, it's not a heading. The table is where you have the filter handles.
Yes.
Row 1 is the heading. But they want you to. Are you listening? They want you to set the print area to include only the cells in the table.
Okay.
So
you know something? The reason why I was sitting here is because I didn't see this.
Yes, I understand your point, but the table starts from A2, row number 2, all the way down. The top bit is not part of the table, it's just a heading. You need to understand that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You've got 8 minutes.
I even messed up. I didn't even know why I was looking at the pharmaceutics or pharmaceuticals. I don't know that. In the summary worksheet, determine the total units sold by the flavor for each quarterly based on the values. Oh, this question. So flag it.
No, do it. Don't flag it. Do it.
So I want to do the rest because that one's a very long one.
Okay.
It's very long. So that's the question I feared for. It says ensure the row and column headings and the row and column headings and the grid lines display when printing the actually. Okay. In the combined sales worksheet, correct the formula in the cell range so that I calculate the percentage of the change. Okay. Combined sales. Okay, says cell range. D3. Okay, so it says so that I calculate the percentage of. I have to do something here. It says percentage of change from sales 2010 to 2011. So this is supposed to be 2010 or what?
It's your test. So clear everything and work on the formula. So you're looking at percentage change.
Yes.
In sales. So you've got 2010, you've got 2010 worksheet, you've got 2011 worksheet. So you need to create the formula. So 2011 minus 2010, whatever is there. Okay.
Yes.
Divided by the initial, which is 2010. So you need to clear everything and create the formula. So it's equal to what? So where's your 2010? 2010 sheet. So you go to Elizabeth. So you start from the 2011 sales, go back, start again. So it should be 2011 minus 2010. You're looking at the percentage change. So the final minus the previous. I have this minus, then you go and do the 2010, Now you divide it by what? The previous. What are you doing? Divide it by the previous, which is 2010. Clear it.
Okay.
So you divide it by the previous sale.
Yes. We have 4 minutes left.
And then you need to speed up.
So I'll come back to this. I just want to finish the other ones. In the sale, in the 2010 sales work. Okay, what other format? Okay. Oh.
You've got 3 minutes. Less than 4 minutes.
Says what? Oh, what am I doing? Why is it not working?
What are you doing? Sort the table. So if you are sorting a table, you need to select. Listen. You need to select.
Yeah.
No. That's not how you do it. You select from the column headings, variable, variant. Close it.
Okay.
You don't
Set.
select the entire thing. Yes. So you select from there all the way down.
Just because I only have less than a minute. Less than a minute. Just also it's 2 questions I couldn't answer.
It's fine.
Should I just finish the test?
Yeah, just finish it. Oh, you've got 1 minute, 27 seconds. So you review, mark some for review. You can finish it.
Okay. I think it was okay. It says in the summary, the total units sold by the flavor for each quarter based on the values in the Okay. It says 10 the total units sold by the firm for each quarter based on the values in the 2010. Okay, total. So it's sum.
Mm-hmm.
Sum this. Okay, and 2010. Wow. Was it equal to this? Oh, son. So I'm trying to remember how I did this one. It's this, you add it together. You add the 2010 and then you add 2000 and now if it's sum, or it's either you just do equal to or plus.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's wait. Hello, can you hear me?
So
Okay. Are you okay?
so please, yes, please. Anytime I try down the test, the results, the page it's just white, it's blank, nothing is there. So unless I
Okay.
go on the
Unless you sign back in again to check. Yeah.
yeah, or I have to do it like on the
Web.
well that's again on online.
Online. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So now check from the online and let's
So I
look
was
at.
able to answer 2 questions. So those questions are quite hard.
Yeah.
I think that one you added, I forgot to you add something that the first has to give you 66.
Okay.
I don't know if it was plus or it was sum.
No,
Because
you
I
don't
did
need
sum.
go to transcript. You don't need to go back again. Go to transcript.
So I said it was plus. I don't know if it was plus or sum. That's the whole thing.
Mm. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You're looking for Microsoft Office specialist. Excel.
2000. So you haven't been here for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
It says 2017, 2018. He said, why is it all 2017, 2018, 2019?
What is Excel 365? Okay. Ah, that should be at the top. Okay, keep going. Keep going, keep going down, keep going down.
Okay.
You know, forget about it. Forget about it. It's fine.
Okay,
It's
so I
fine.
think it's a
You found it.
yes.
No, this
Wait.
is Microsoft 365 fundamental. That's not it.
Oh. So I think it maybe it's down.
Okay. Why shouldn't be? Because it's a most recent.
Let's not see. So let
Come on,
me go back.
stop. It will just waste our time.
So wait.
You can filter.
Oh,
Let us
why did
go
I do
through. Then product, select Excel. So we have scroll down. So we have today. Is it today? No.
Yes.
Go down. Go down. Microsoft 365. Today. Yeah, that's it. 877 out of 1,000.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
I think it was. I did solve 2 questions. That's it.
Oh, okay. You've done well. Well done. Well done. Keep it up. Okay.
It was the formula. I'm not too good with the formula that much when it comes.
So it means we need to practice more on that. Okay.
Yes.
So stop sharing. Okay. So what we'll do is tomorrow we are not meeting. So within the week, I want you to look at the practice exam 1 and the practice exam 2.
Okay, sir.
Then you work on the practice exam 3 as well. So the next time you meet, you will be doing it under testing mode.
So, please, my father is calling you.
Okay, no problem. You can mute.
Please, yes. Sorry, sir, my parents are here. That's why I asked you to open the gates for them.
Okay, no worries. At least we finished, so it's fine.
Yes.
Okay.
So sorry, wait, can you send me what you want me to do?
Yeah, I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir, very much. Thank you for a wonderful lesson. Bye, sir.